So we've had our baby Sheltie boy for just over a week, and it's kind of flipped our lives upside down just a little bit, but in a good way. But having something to take care of has really given me a perspective on how I manage my time, because certain things have to get done. We have to get him up early to take care of him and go outside. We have to feed him at certain times of the day, but it also gives me more hours of the day to do things I want to do, which is actually kind of nice. Really interesting how having the responsibility of taking care of something else actually kind of in turn starts taking care of you. So after a 7-day trial of taking care of a puppy, if you don't have one, I'd highly recommend it. A little weirdo. Kenzou, sit. Kenzou, shake. Shake. Good boy, shake. Good boy, shake. Can you lay down? Can you lay down? Can you lay down? Good boy. Still got a little work to do on that one.
Good boy. No, hey. No, don't eat that.
So I think he is finally starting to wear out. Typically, he is good to go in the mornings up until the afternoon, and then he sleeps. And then when he has lunch, he's good to go again. But yeah, it's either 100 miles an hour or 0. There's not really an in-between with him unless we take him somewhere new and he's uncertain of things. But he's getting very comfortable around here, and he's really just full of energy all the time. He's also a very hungry little critter. We feed him 3 times a day, about a little over half a cup of puppy food that we have him on. And he also tries to eat just about almost anything else in sight that he can see, whether it's plants, sticks, leaves. You know, puppies, toddlers, they get into everything. You know, having a puppy really has been a benefit this past week. It's given me the opportunity to get away from a computer screen a lot more, put my phone aside, put my computer away, and just focus on the things that are around me. And I found myself enjoying life just a little bit more. And I started doing this a few months back when I started reading books more. And it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I just haven't had time to do it, but I've just kind of purposely gone out of my way to make time for these things. And I just find myself happier in life with these things happening now. So having something to take care of can sometimes take care of you. Yep, time for your nap. What are you eating, huh? You're eating something you probably shouldn't. So Kenzou just got up from his nap. Usually we'll go through this about 2 or 3 times a day. He will just crash hard in his bed or in his kennel or on the floor, pretty much wherever. And he will be out for a few hours. And then when he wakes up, we'll let him outside to go potty. And then he is back to going 100 miles an hour for the next, 3 hours or so. Kenzou. Hey, don't eat that. Don't eat that. What are you eating? You're trying to eat a leaf. Why are you trying to eat a leaf? I don't know. But you got dirt all over your nose. So I guess the sunset is probably a good point to end our video on here as we get closer and closer to that time of day. If you guys have been following our dilemma over the past few months with our Xterra, you know what's going on. But for those of you who don't, our Xterra, our adventure steed that has taken us everywhere so far for the past 2 years, is finally dead in the water. And there's really nothing I can do about it, or more accurately, there's nothing I really want to do about it. But on that note, there's also no desire for me to end our adventurous lifestyle that we have, that I really enjoy sharing with you guys. And it's kind of been a dilemma for us as to what to do. How are we going to overcome this situation? And if you guys followed us on Instagram, you know that, well, we kind of found a solution to that, and it's kind of exciting. So with the Xterra dead in the water behind me here, let me just show you what we have going on. So the salvation to our issues is right here behind me. We are now proud Toyota 4Runner owners. We have a 2021 Toyota 4Runner. So the plan is to build a brand new overland adventure rig that will take us on a whole new chapter of our adventures. So pretty exciting stuff coming down the road for you guys. And we're more than happy and willing to share everything we do with you. I want to make a build series on this and talk about everything we do, how we operate, and things we learned from previous build that we want to implement into a new build. But with that being said, let's go ahead and end this video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. And I will see you guys in the next one, where we talk about, I don't know what. We'll figure it out as we go. But there's a lot more coming down the road for you guys. It's pretty exciting stuff. We're happy to be on the path we are on right here. We feel like we made the right decision. Things just kind of presented themselves at the right opportunity, where we made the right decisions to get us where we are today. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if there's nothing else to be mentioned in this video, let's go ahead and watch an awesome sunset.